How to enable save login info on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable save login information on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. And now here, once you are in your settings section, simply tap on account center. And now here in this section, simply tap on password and security. Now look for the saved login option and tap on it. Now here, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. And that's it. Now Instagram will remember your login details and you won't need to enter them again next time. Super convenient and a big time saver. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.